Hello? Hello?
Hello. Okay. So hello there once again. Hope you are doing good. So long time no see. Okay. Um, I didn't upload for a long time because I didn't have noticing something. By the way, we buy a new computer and now we have option to do live streaming. All right. So I am on Roblox Studio right now, and I will go to show to you on creating a function to actually use GUI Service. So that means we are about to use this method. So I'm posting us on threads. So this game will now actually use, which is Blocks Delora, will now actually use Roblox GUI service. That means if we use this service, we will determine the value of the top bar height in set, and once it's once it's new, if it detects as brand new, which is the 58, which is the modernized Roblox top bar buttons, then it will actually use these values right here. Otherwise, it will actually use the old one, which is I am now disabling the um, updated Roblox controls. Okay. So what I'm going to do in here is to um, adjust the UI padding once it's initialized. You know, so we have to do it first before we proceed, and this is the value that I'm going to use it. So we'll go to set all the way this from here. So which is label and then UI padding and right here. So be sure that you are incorrect on the correct path. So we'll go to set the padding left first. So this one is pad left is equal to udim dot new and the values that we're going to use. Then the right hand. On the right hand we have pad right is equal to udim dot new and here. Next, I will copy all of these states right here. So we're going to use for only or and this one here is two. Sorry. Okay, now this one and this one. Okay, so and we're going to do here is to test it out to see if it's still if it's not working. So I get the error here only, so I don't know what is that from. So it's because of okay. So there is no close right here. So I have to test it out. So it says have to copy paste first. So close these scripts right now and click on play. So I have to put this in half because it has a wrong state. Okay, let's go and click on play again. So again, there's nothing to work. So the only problem only is the value is broken, and I don't know what is happening right here. Yeah. Okay. So in either way, we can use the okay. So I didn't notice this one, so I have to go with padding left first. Then we'll go to, I forgot to put the values, by the way, so sorry about that. But we're going to pad right is equal to pad right. Then here we go, the function is ready to go, and let's see what will okay, so well, as you may know, it's working now. So we can add this second right here. So we're going to remove the, and we're going to script that contains time. So we add minutes, seconds, and that's it. Let's go ahead and play it out. Okay, so yep, it's shrink right now, so we're going to change the language to something. Yep. So let's go ahead and try to are we going to get the these so I put this to something like this. So this one we'll use. So I have to just something. Okay, so you may know that it's not working fine. So as you may know that I am now using the old one. So that's nice. Okay, so I was going to show to you on how to upload your icon right here. So I'm now using the material one. So I have to go into google.com slash fonts.google.com /icons. So all we're going to find is I'm going to, yes, I have the, oh, wait. Okay. So I am making so I'm going to go with settings, or I will go to do with color. So the palette, the format colorful, the opacity or any factor. Let's go ahead and with this. So because this an eyedropper icon. So since we are only using Roblox one, so I have to make it more versatile by having this. Or we are going to use the left one, this one right here. So we're going to, since we are using the, okay, so we are going to only use this. So don't worry, it's open source, so you can use it on your projects, including your apps. Okay? All right. I have to go into this. Where is the toggle? Okay, so this is one. So we're going to go to add image. So this one, create. And here we go. So you will see the icon is right here. Now we'll click on play. Okay, here it goes. Since it's only using the old one, let's see if we can see the transparency, and it's still adjusting. So it's actually using the old one. So wait for a while. I will get my charger. Okay, so that so I am noticing is I am still using transparency enabled. What we're going to do here is to have this. So new GUI is equal to true and new GUI is false if you are using that. So that means false. No. New GUI. So we'll go to if condition. If new GUI is false, then we have to set the what is that? Where's the toggle for us? Here. So we're going to go into local value set is equal to script.parents, then frame button, wait for child, and next is transparent value. So always use wait for child if you are going to try to get that, because once you so the value set is equal to 0.5. And from here, let's see here we go. So this is the value that we are going to use. So background transparency, this one we have. So okay. We're going to click on play to see the result. So if you see that it's still using, okay. So if you're trying to, let's see if we're going to try to something. So as you may know, it will not work because I just adjust the transparency. But since it's going to use, I will go to remove it. If maybe we can use this to adjust the value also on the UI. Let's click again. Oh, all right. So see the UI is now here. Okay, I forgot to adjust it. Sorry about that. By the way, but anyway, we can use this stopwatch to determine the jukebox window. Since anyway, we're going to go into visible. So let's see if we can use this. So we have. Yeah, so this is 64. I'm going to use this to go with determined ones. So to do this, if we want to, so let's add another window pad top is equal to udim dot new is 0 and 64 in this one. Also on the here is maybe 36. This one is 64 and this one is 36. All right. So then next we're going to do here is to get the window one. This one, I think. Okay, so we'll go to local music window is equal to game players local player, then wait for child is user. We're going to get that window. So let's go ahead to user GUI is play, game players local player, wait for child user. So user GUI is equal to music window is equal to user GUI, wait for child is equal to jukebox. Oh no. Sorry. Player GUI. Wait for child user. The music window is jukebox. So local. Okay. So let's go to music window. Is UI padding, then padding top. Padding top is equals to so you can accept that if you want, but we're going to use the value right here. So let's go to window pad top. So we have aspect ratio constraint, the size, position, and the anchor point. So I'm going to only use this. All right. So let's see if we can now go ahead and play. Okay, so as you may know that the jukebox is still showing. Yeah. Oh. Oh, there's no glitch out. I didn't notice that, by the way. So let's go ahead and play this. So yes, let's see. Okay, so right now it's now shrinking into the Roblox old one. So now it's following the procedure on the element. So this might have take a long time. So let's go to 44 because that's the we're going to having a padding on it. Then you will see that the padding is now in same position. So the next we're going to do right now is the last thing is to get the color setting. So it's also 64. So let's go to the local is color setting, color window. To do that, so user GUI again, wait for child and color setting. Oh, so color window is UI padding top is equal to window pad top. And let's see if we can now actually going that. So let's see. Right, so nice looking, and and here we go. It's now shrinking into the all right. Okay, so the only problem here is this one, but we are not going to adjust for that because we're going to use this one. So this will This one is title, and we're going to only set to 40. Sorry. So the UI padding is yes, this one, and we're going to go here is to set all the way to 14. So that's because we're going to use right here. So we have to disable ignore GUI inset. So once it's disabled, the ignore GUI inset value, it will not going to um, uh, fill up all of the GUIs right here. So I will show you now. Okay, so as you may know that it's now moving into the part that is actually using. So because it's have the shadow thing on it, so that's a nice looking touch right now. So since it's finished, so let's see if we're still working with this button. So this one, a brand new one. So we'll go to features to enable the updated Roblox controls. So we'll go to restart the app right now. Okay, so restarting Roblox Studio and see if we can now, if we still work with the new one. Oh, uh, oh, okay. Yep. As you may see, it's still working as expected. Yep, it's still working as expected, so no problem. But the problem only is this one. As you may see, it's not aligned to the scaling. Let's see if we can fix that. But at least it works. No problem. Okay, so we're going to do automatic size to X, Y, or X and Y. Okay, by the way, I have to test it out. So let's see. Exactly. So let's see this one. So let's make it 0.5 to see. Oh. Oh. So the only problem is this was. So yeah. That's the only problem that I'm doing here. So since it's so the only problem is this one. So we're going to do here is to put this all the way to 0.8 only. So and the list, let's put it right away to center. Yes, since it's not centered, we're going to use anchor points. So that is 0 and 0.5. So it goes right here. Then go to position and set the Y scale to 0.5. And that's it. So I will go to see if has comments, so sign into chat. So there's no comments yet, but yeah, it works. I will go to sign in for it later. Alright, so let's see if it's actually fixed. I didn't notice the problem. And okay, it's fixed. So why I'm going to put the automatic skill right here, because while I'm changing the language, it has too many words. But right now, whilst I'm using it, yeah, it's now going to automatically rescale depending on your language settings. And it works as expected. And I forgot to upload the icon for the color grading settings. So we're going to go ahead and go into LMC settings. So I just called that LMC settings. Then I have to upload the image. So this one is colorize. Okay, so it's still, I think it's now uploaded. So let's click on play. And here we go. So we have color grading setting right here into the here. Nice. And that's it. So that's how we're going to update the UIs right here. So now we're integrated with the old UI on Roblox, which is the old Roblox button, to actually use also if you have slow internet connection. So I just experienced that before, since I'm connected to slow internet. So I just testing out, and I noticed that the old Roblox button is still showing instead of the new one. So that means it's I need to fix the the one that I am going to integrate with. Okay, so I think that's all for our live stream for today. So maybe very soon I have to show you the another segment, which I'm going to show you this time. So let's click on play also again, and right here. So if you are waiting for 5 seconds and try to relax first, so let's see. If I click on players and my local player and then gameplay pause, so gameplay pause, so this is a brand new one, so let's see. Okay. So if you're trying to do this, so you will see it's having this. So it would only show if the assets are still loading on one of the unloaded areas. So yeah, anyway, so that's all for the video. So if you like, be sure to subscribe and like and share. So anyway, that's all for our live stream, and see you in the next video. See you in the next video or see you in the live stream, depending on top. So I will uploading videos very soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's all for now. See ya. We're able to publish it right away. So yeah, see you in the next video.